It's a time to tackle those indoor projects on your list, like and refreshing your home with new paint. Lowe's has you covered with our #1 best-selling color, available gray, and accent colors like snowback. Plus, you can get Valspar.
Yeah, here, all right. This YouTube, they are family. We're in our natural habitat.
For ideas and inspiration, download the Lowe's app and discover what's possible. US only. The Simpson Barbecue Grill is the official grill of Backyard Fun for you and
Let's get in that boy right there. Oh, my bad. My fault. I had to.
It's hot. Fans ain't on.
I'm coming, bro. You ready?
Those ain't on.
Yeah. You ready?
Which way? Straight? Oh, push it this way.
More?
One more.
Was that transmission? Yeah. Ooh. What a game. We're squatting. Is that? Who, me?
Me.
He left? Yeah. I'm about to see an update on this thing too. It's buddy shit. And yeah. Yeah, I had to get you in there. I had to get the MC in there. And we going to a shop called Scram Speed. And Muhammad. Scram is gonna put in my Holley harness. Do my fuel lines off. Transmission cooler. So when she come home, she ought to be where she need to be. What other car we got to push? Oh, damn, we got to push yours? Man, we got to push it. We still got to push this one out. Hold on, let me prop this joint up. See if I can get an angle. Maybe not. Let me see. Let me see if I can get us a little angle. Hold on, Thomas. I'm just trying to get, you know what I'm saying, some little footage. Oh, that's good enough. For now. Already. Definitely got a sweep. Whew. What you doing to it, man? Getting underneath it. He said he finna get underneath it. You finna get them blazer splinters too? One go out. One come back in. Check me out, YouTube. Oh, this is getting gone. They're finna change all of this up. So never mind that. Bleep that out. And yeah, here she goes. She in there. New transmission, new engine. Shout out to Bet It Up too. Bet It Up got me lifted up in the front a little better. Told me what springs, what coils I need to get. So, you know, shout out Bet It Up. You feel me? Shout out Mr. Get In There. You know what I'm saying? We're redoing everything, y'all. So, we back down to a slate. Show and go. We coming. Look, got my shifter right there. Show and go. We coming. I got some little scratches and little dings right there. Some little shit fell up against it, but we gonna fix it. Excuse me, train in the back. Whew. That's a long boy too. Yeah, the homie getting this joint together though. Waiting on the flatbed to pick mine up. And then I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Damn, that was fast. Here we go. That was fast. Now I'm gonna have to follow him to Scram. Now I'm gonna have to follow him to Scram. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get there. Yeah, I had to get that shot right there. That was a pretty decent shot. Damn, they gonna rear end me. Shooting and driving. You ain't supposed to be shooting and driving, y'all. I don't mean like shoot. I mean like holding the camera. But I mean, I'm pretty safe right here. But yeah, right here, this is the Scram speed right here, and they specialize in pretty much everything. Everything LS. Everything LS. That's the dyno room right there. And these are the LS guys. This is Scram. Pretty decent little ride too. Check it out. That's where my dyno at. They're gonna be dynoing me, y'all. It's gonna be the shit. Working on something old school.
And I'm an idiot.
Why you say that?
Because you're trying to hit me with 3.5 dollars at one. What the hell's wrong?
I know. I realized that when I got here,
I did. Well, we were thinking about that file, and I was like, that's all. I was thinking I had the rest. Sometimes that shit happens, so. No problem making it.
Boys got a lot of horsepower out here. SS's, look at the Chevelle. That's a clean ass Chevelle.
So, what made you choose this color?
My mom likes purple.
I love that color, man. I love the metallic color in there.
Appreciate it.
I'm not much of a fan on purple. I work for a company who's got purple and black for trucks. I didn't have to go to be hard to turn. There we go. I'm trying to do what you normally do if you have a small vehicle. You usually take the wheel to that time of turn. Usually you take the wheel instead of trying to steer it. You know, if you have regular